What's going on, guys? We just got all our clients done. We got them all off to the IFO race. We got Angel Super done. We got Derek's little coupe done. And then we got a bunch of dynos done this week. So it's been one busy time for us. It's been awesome and we feel very blessed. We appreciate you guys all tuning in and watching and enjoying our videos and keep pushing us forward and sharing, and I don't know, it's humbling, it's awesome. But today I'm gonna get into the bat rod. And what I'm gonna do to it is I'm going to get the engine stripped out. I'm gonna get the seat back out. I'm gonna get kind of everything cleaned out because I'm gonna start painting the frame. I'm gonna start painting anything that's gonna rust and kind of get it all cleaned up. I've got to also, when I get the engine out, I gotta cut this bolt and get this one out. That's for me hitting the wall. See the tweak on it. Whew. So I need to get that out. I'll probably switch to like a grade 8 maybe, or I don't know. It was good that it bent and then just shear, so there's that part of it. I've also got to put a new fender on right here. The other one, as you guys saw, it's pretty mangled up. So I'll put one in there and then get the serrated style mud flaps for the back there, just so it cuts anything. And then the radiator itself, we want to take a couple rows off the core here. I want to put a fill over here so we can fill it through the trunk and not have to worry about air. It didn't have any problems getting hot before, but just, you know, just one of those precautions. And then taking the top off here, we'll be able to put the trunk back on and kind of clean up the little rod. Pull that steering rod off, start pulling the turbos, drain the fluids. Alright, so I got this turbo off, and while I was pulling it, I noticed the heat really got to this line big time. Took that whole layer of black mesh just off the top, and then I also noticed this line on the gate, it got a little too hot too, so I'll probably do these out of copper because they'll push into these just fine as well. But see, that line's all melted. So diving in. Let's get the other side off and inspect it and then get the engine out. And this one melted this line and it was all stuck to the manifold. So yeah, we had a kind of no boost control at all. No wonder it was just spinning the tires at Mach 5000. It's cool with me. Well, it's nice to like run it and then take it down and inspect it, because when you inspect it you can find all these little things that need improved. Whenever you build anything, there's going to be somewhere an improvement. You guys gotta see this. Go play that for that camera right now.
Oh, it's on.
Only Emilio.
Just clowning, bro.
If you guys don't watch him go live on Instagram, you have to.
We were shopping for the Corona.
That's gonna help us on 15. Hey, let me see your hands. Get you some. All right, you can help us now, man. Thanks.
He was laughing so hard. That's good. He's like, he understood, man.
Yeah, he probably didn't mind, honestly.
No, he didn't. He's like, yeah, I'm
clean
like, I'm
too.
clean. I know these guys are clean. Brittany gave me this bottle yesterday and I've been spraying everybody. And it's like a girly one too, so it like has like a smell to it, you know?
Yeah. Well, you can really see now how bent that bolt is. Woo! Yep, we got into that one.
Yep.
You were here to finish drilling that hole?
Yeah.
Finally. Yep. Hammered gold. Hammer copper. Hammer copper. Figured it'll kind of look rusty, but not die. You know?
That bling on.
Yeah.
How you're trying to get rid of it. That's not the color of it.
Well, I just don't want to die.
When I first walked up, I thought that was all rusty still. Perfect.
All right, so I got paint splashed on everything. That should keep the rust down. Now I'm ready to put this thing back together. So let's get to it. theirs. This should have been gray, black, red.
Yeah.
So I just went with that.
Yeah, I like it.
I do. I can't wait for the next burnout contest. I want to get this thing together. I want to get out and I want to practice some. Figure it all out. Because the last time we drove it was like the only times it's driven.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah, you drove it twice.
Twice. So
That's
we
it.
need to get comfortable with it. Find out good and bad. It does come together in great parts. So
Yeah.
look alright?
It looks great, dude. Super proud of you.
Yeah, that looks good. I get that top on it and the engine on it. Get that front end, the intercooler and everything polished.
Yeah.
Roman's been on a polishing kick, so I'm like,
I gave
dude.
him all my polishing stuff. I was like, here you go, make your intercooler look nice. Make
Yeah.
this one look nice.
And I think we got to where this thing is gonna hit too.
Yeah, I moved it in the air. It clears.
Alright, let's go wash it.
You should push it up the hill by yourself.
It just doesn't weigh anything. Harder to come back down the hill.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Hold on. Grip.
Right out of it. Hold on. Just gonna watch that engine mount versus the front. Right there, so catch on. Yeah, we're just trying to not nick it. Do you want it on the inside or outside? It can be the inside. On the outside. Get in.
What's Johnny?
I need the back end to go. Inside just a little bit. Let me try to move the jack. Or do you want me to move the jack right now, or you want me to wait, Brent?
Yeah, you can get these bolts started.
Yeah. Because it's, if it moves back just a little bit, it'll be right up on line. Or I meant, sorry, the back end moves that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to go back. A little less rusty.
huh? Still works. Good job, man.
Fuel lines, turbos, oil feeds, oil drains, back together.
Intercoolers and pipes.
Well guys, I'm pretty stoked. This thing's turning out, I think it's cool. Looks great, and it shouldn't rust so bad now. So, but just a little inspection, a little walk around. Things turned out pretty cool. Roman's gonna do the intercooler stuff tomorrow, so that'll get all polished and blinging. And then I need to fix the wheel a little bit. But, oh, and then I got the fender like this to put in on the other side. Put the seat back in. I'm gonna mount the battery box right here. But things are coming together pretty good. I'm pretty stoked, so that'll do it for this episode. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the same bat time on the same bat channel, right here at Pfispeed. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. What you want? Yep, she's still drilling that hole. And still going backwards.